Hi, this is Lily from New Woman, and welcome to my page. You know, it is always an honor and a privilege to have you here and to come in and join me on this video. And just to listen to what I have to say, thank you so much. Your time is very, very important to me. So today, I would just like to share about what is it like for us as people when we live such a busy lifestyle. And we have so much going on that our lifestyle is just so busy that we just keep on keeping ourselves busy, and we find things that keep ourselves busy that we forget sometimes what is so important. What is important in life? What is really important in life? And I just wanted to share that for me, what's so important to me is relationships. It's people. It's families. It's friends that we need to communicate and ring them up every so often and, have a chat with them online and just ask them, hey, how's it going? I am thinking of you. I'm always thinking of you. And I just thought I'd give you a call to see how you're doing. So I think and believe that it's so important, well, imperative at least to say, that the contact and the communication we have with our loved ones is so important. And sometimes, like I said, we could be just trying to keep ourselves busy just to keep ourselves busy, and just to think, oh, we've got to do this, we've got to do that. Oh, I've got to go here, I've got to go there. I need to do this, I need to do that. And sometimes we just need to be still, just to be still within ourselves, be still in the moment. And next thing you know, with all your rushing around and doing things, you're, oh my God, you're how old, So these things that I say now is, it's important to keep the communication going with family, friends, and your loved ones. Keep the communication going all the time. You must communicate with them and just see how they're doing, because life can be just so fast. Well, it is. Because next thing we know, we go, oh my God, where did all those years go? I wonder how my friend's doing. And you haven't even spoken to them for 5 years or, so forth. So I believe that we're all here for a purpose in life, and that is just to keep our communication with each other and just to see how each other's going. Now, of course, you're going to lead a busy life. We all do. We all want to be doing things and not miss out on things. And I know some people have this fear of missing out, okay? They call it a FOMO, F-O-M-O, fear of missing out. But what I see in life now, because I'm a bit more, mature, I wouldn't say older, but mature, I look back and see my life and think the relationships that I've had through the years were so more important to me than anything else. Relationship with my children, relationship with my husband, relationships with my families and my siblings, my parents, my distant relatives, all these things. And did I say my friends, relationships with our, groups that you belong to? It is so important to me to look back and realize I keep in contact with my friends all the time. I keep in contact with my children and my family, immediate family, parents and loved ones, siblings. So I'm just sharing that with you again, how important it is to keep that communication and your relationships going, and not to be too busy in your life to have that still moment. Because having that still moment, you can think better sometimes when you're just on your own. Sometimes you don't have to just go out and be with people, just be yourself. Love yourself. Love your own company. Love you and who you are, and just be still. Be still for a moment and take that time to just give yourself time to think. And being with God also is good. So, again, I am sharing this time with you in saying it is so important to keep the communication and relationships going, not to be too busy for that. Because life is so fast. It doesn't wait for us. There's no rehearsal. There's no time to go back and I wish I had done that. I wish I had spent more time with that person. I wish. So that's my sharing for you today with this video. Please communicate with your loved ones. Keep in contact with them. And you know what? Forgive them if they've done you wrong, or forgive others. It's so easy to forgive. It's easy to forgive. It's so easy to forgive because what have you got to lose? Forgive the person who's done you wrong. Forgive them and just move forward and keep in contact with each other. Keep moving forward with life, and love is more important than anything else as well. Love, relationships, God, everything is love. So this is Lily coming to you, and you're coming on my video, coming to watch me. Thank you so much for joining me again. Here I am just sharing with you the most important things in my life again. And I just hope that you take something away from it, like I do with you coming on my page. And click onto my page where it says subscribe to my page, and you'll see more of my videos. If you like my videos, leave a comment. If you don't like my videos, leave a comment. But do click on to a link below this video also and check it out. So thank you again. This is Lily from New Woman. I look forward to seeing you again on my next video. Cheers.